So, Nathan's garage, 10 minutes to 5 a.m. What gets us both up on this fine morning?
A tale of deceit and close to murder, and you being awesome. So, I get woken up this morning gently by wife Tastic saying, "It's raining. You put the Mutt inside last night, didn't you?" Now, we live in California, which is awesome because I hate rain, and we usually only get about 10 days rain a year, and it's usually very predictive. So looked on the weather reports last night, and it didn't show any rain today, but did tomorrow, Sunday. So I left it out last night with all the fenders on, propped up on bricks, not movable. So we all proceeded to tack up and head outside. There was a definite moment where we were just like, is it done? Is it wet anyway, so let's just leave it. Looked outside and the rain wasn't too bad, but fully wet, not just like a sprinkle. So, Wife-tastic, who is amazing, as always, and supportive, headed out with me and Bodie. Oxy's still in bed. Oxy was not part of this. And we proceeded to dismantle the bug, the Mutt, and put her inside. So we picked this up halfway through because neither of us was particularly awake enough to press record on the phone.
What's going on? I turned to throw it.
It's raining and it's not supposed to be raining.
It's Operation 4 a.m. Save the Mutt.
Yeah.
Don't leave the Mutt out in the rain.
Bear Electrics don't like rain. In California we believe the weather report. It seems in this instance wrongly. So let's see if she works.
I say it all the time, but I'll say it again. God bless our neighbors.
Well, is it God bless our neighbours though? Because we're making a noise.
And?
Nobody's come out to see if we're stealing the Mutt. Was there a 10mm? Was there any sockets?
No, they just know you're this crazy.
Were there any sockets on here? Did you put any in your pocket?
Oh, I'm holding it in my hand, yeah. When you asked me for the ratchet, I picked it up.
Perfect. Thank you. Spark.
What's that?
Something's alive. Okay, so when I drive it out,
It doesn't look like it rained that much, hopefully. Yeah.
let's try. Here's what it is.
That's from you moving the tarp.
Okay. So when I drive it out,
Uh-huh.
I'm just gonna probably go straight towards the Q5. As soon as I'm out of here, close these doors and open the garage.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Davey.
Do you need me to hold the shell?
Yeah, you're all good, thank you. That's how you save a bear car from the rain at, was it 3 a.m., 4 a.m.?
Yeah, it's 4 in the morning.
How's my hair?
Oh, I'm sure it's very camera ready.
Okay.
I think now's the time when you talk about who's the best wife in the world. For waking up, hearing rain, having a choice to make, and deciding to get you up knowing it was going to lead to this.
This was the one that, knowing that this was the right choice to make was amazing. Thank you, wife. You're amazing. As always. My muse, my muse, my inspiration, my unworthy of.
Muse, advisor, saint.
That's it. You know, so it was on theme.
Just the things I humbly call myself.
Yeah, that's all dry. That's fine. So EC is dry. That's my dry.
What else is dry? ACU.
ECU's wet on the corner, but it ran and it doesn't seem too wet. Yep, okay. All relays are dry. Battery's dry. Those relays are dry. We got to do a bit different. Thank you. You're a rock star. We're gonna let's put the body back down on some jack stands now.
Okay.
So we can turn that off.
The lightsaber, I have to admit, was kind of fun.
You know what? I did complain about rain, but this is, and I know I live in California, and I know it rains usually rains like 5 days a year. Not this year. But bring a light. Hello, Bodie dog. Are you helping? Hello, Bodie dog.
Oh. Excellent.
The camera made him nervous.
Get that in a minute.
A bit of oil. I did not know this hoist was going to have to withstand so much rain.
Oh, right.
It's probably considered water resistant. But it's Harbour Freight.
How expensive was it?
150. $1 million.
Well, if it's just 150, how much would it have been if you bought an expensive one?
I don't know, I never even looked.
Would that one have just been water resistant also?
I don't know, actually.
Because, like, if they'd all break, then you're better off getting a cheap one that you're going to murder.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely. Fantastic. This was like a Formula One pit stop. I couldn't have done it without you. Definitely couldn't have done it without you.
Yeah, you're like, you don't have to come out, honey.
Job done.
I mean, you could have done it without me because
It would have been.
you do everything on your own, but what? But what if I didn't? What if I hadn't come?
I'd have still been here, probably on my back, on a wet floor, looking at my nuts.
My backyard.
I'm hungry. I need ice cream.
Ice cream, bacon.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, indeed. Okay. How you doing, body dog?
Watch your step over there. We have to get that up.
So that Mr. Poop Plastic.
At least the other pill's working a little bit.
This operation Save the Mutt was a success. See you in the morning.
Good night, Mutt.